Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're newer, hi. So I've been getting requests to do a vanity tour. So that's why I'm sitting over here. So about a year ago, I think like a little before my birthday last year, I got this present for my boyfriend, this beautiful vanity. Keep in mind, I have had it for a year and there's a few makeup stains in there that I just can't get out, okay? So let's just not look at that, but at the rest of the vanity. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of how everything's organized, and yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so let's start this vanity tour with the obvious. Under it I have a bag for my doggy and a bag with makeup stuff that I don't necessarily use. So that's just right there. Then I have my phone so I can see what I'm doing on my camera. And over here in this corner I have my body sprays and my perfumes, like my Chanel, my Katy Perry, Versace, and of course my hair care, my oil. And I got this from my grandma. This is pretty awesome. I haven't tried it yet, but it's from Chanel. It's number 19 and it's a bath soap, and I'm really excited to try this out. Of course I have decoration. This is like a necklace from little stones from the beach. I got this in a package from L'Oreal. It's like a Christmas decoration. And then I have beautiful pearl lights. Let's turn them on. Like that. Like, isn't it so cute and adorable? And then over here I have another necklace that I barely use. So instead of having it around my neck, I have it around here as decoration. And then over here I have a little box that I got from my grandmother. It's to put jewelry in, and it's like so old and vintage. It's cute. So that's why I keep it. And a little bowl with baby, it's cold outside, even though currently it's hot as fuck. So yeah, I also have like my makeup bag. This is the makeup that I use every single day when I wear makeup, because if I don't, then I don't need the bag. Yeah. I have this book from Glamour and I barely use it, but I just like flipping through it and see stuff, and yeah, that's why that's there. I have a little bowl with flowers, this cute and adorable thing that I use for jewelry that I don't wear at the moment, so I put it there to make sure I don't lose it. I have a body butter right here. Over here I have like all my face products that I use to clean my face, like my tonic, hand lotion, hair lotion, more hair oil, body lotion, and face lotion. Oh yeah, well, that's my life.
Everything I touch drops to the ground. I should not sing, cause I can't, so I'm gonna shut the fuck up.
Okay, I'm gonna sit down on this beautiful little crutch, which I still need to take this off, but yeah. So, back to this corner, I have a little drawer. And in this drawer, I keep all my lipsticks, like well organized, sorted out. And of course, my lip pencils. So that's all in here. And the ones I use the most are either in my purse or in here. So I have quite a lot, and I always say I don't have anything. Like, isn't it so strange? So let's go back in there. Then down here we have two drawers too, and see, this is smudged. I should have cleaned it. I did clean it, but I smudged it again. So let's not mind the smudges, please. Thank you. In this drawer I have like products that I barely use or seasonal, like, so if you follow my vlogs you would know that I had a spray tan and it's currently gone, like completely. So I'm back to being pale, but I did lay in the sun, so I have a little tanner foundation right now. It still mismatches the rest of my skin, but what you can do about it. So yeah, that's in there, and more hand lotion. Like, I have a ton of hand lotion and barely use it. That's so sad. Underneath that we have more products that I barely use. Then over here we have a beautiful big drawer filled with palettes. Let me take them out for you. Like, so eyeshadow palette, blush palette. Downstairs I have more palettes because I've been doing my makeup downstairs because of the lighting. It's just better. Like, the lighting here is horrible, and then I don't want to go to work and realize my makeup's horrible. Like, yeah, it happens. So basically this drawer is just eyeshadow palettes that I don't use right now. That doesn't fit. I don't know why I did it. Okay, let's just close it before I get annoyed with it. Oh damn. Oh no.
Okay.
There we go. And then in this corner over here, in this drawer, I have like all my eye pencils and eyeliners that I don't use right now. Then moving on down here. Like, did you even notice the beautiful detailing? Like, they're all roses. On every drawer is a rose. Like, it's gorgeous. Like, I love it so much. In this drawer, I have, like, leftover eyebrow stuff in case I run out. I always have something left to do my eyebrows with. And some eyelashes that I barely ever use because I already have pretty long eyelashes for myself. And then in here, I have all my makeup brushes and beauty blenders that I don't use or rarely use, so they're in here. And I know I need to clean everything. That's really sad that I just put it away dirty, but I'm lazy, so let's not talk about that. And that's everything. I want to thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or down to let me know you actually watched up until this point. I love you and I hope to see you next time. Bye.